guys, this is Paula Mariz welcoming you guys to my channel. So for today, my vlog is all about creating a coral look. This is actually the color of the year. I'm gonna make a flash of the exact color dito sa side. And yeah, if you want to make this look in your own way, and yes, kung gusto nyo lang naman matry ang ganitong look, keep on watching my vlog. Yay! I'm so excited, guys, to share with you my idea of coral look. Yay! Without further ado, let's start the hashtag coral look makeup for the day. Ayun na nga ba? Let's start the coral look makeup with our all day liquid foundation by Everbilena. Ang gagamitin natin with the shade Sandstone. Next is we are going to use the concealers. Ito yung concealer stick by Everbilena for our face. And ito naman is EV Advanced Perfect Eyeshadow Eye Concealer. Ito naman yung para sa eyes natin. So, hindi po ito Everbilena review. Using all Everbilena. Kasi may iba naman din akong products na gagamitin na hindi Everbilena. Yes. Pero sila yung para mostly ginagamit ko. Next is ang setting powder natin. Setting powder. Yan. Ang gamit ko is Nichido. So, ito na nga ang pinaka-exciting na part. Meron tayo dito tatlong eyeshadow palettes kung saan we're going to use a combination. I'll try my best na gawing coral look ito, guys. So today, yung para magiging base color natin, I will try to use this. Medyo mahirap to, besh. Ayan. Itong medyo, ayan, kung dito, medyo brownish. And next na base natin is itong light color naman to make our eyes pop. Next color natin, nalaglag ang brush. Next color natin is the pink. So, kuha tayo na isa pang brush. Pang crease, dito natin. Ang tawag mo dito, eyelid. Sa crease natin sa taas. So, bali magiging, we've used the darker to lighter pink. So, gamit natin si Forever 21 Fashion. So, ito yung gagamitin natin. Ito mga pink shade to eh. Itong dalawa. And then, guys, ito ginamitan ko siya ng pinaka, sumunod sa peach. Ito kasi yung peach. And ito medyo parang light. Yeah. Going to try this one to apply in this part para medyo mag-light. Or, So, we'll be using the silver for the middle, para medyo shiny shimmering tayo. Itong silver. Yes. So, itong medyo pinkish shade ang lalagay natin sa ating parang dito sa part to complete our look. Wait, di ba may nilalagay pa sila pampashine dito? We'll be using the BLK Cosmetics Contour Blush and Highlight Palette in the shade Sunkiss. Yes, ito siya. We'll be using this one. Ayun na nga, guys. Ayusin ko na lang siya konting linis and then gagawin ko din siya sa kabila para mas bongga, diba? Okay, ayan na. Unti-unti na nabubuo ang ating coral look when it comes on eyeshadow. Ayun na nga. Ang next natin is, syempre tatapusin natin. Lalagyan pa natin mga pakinang dito. And then the nose line, and the contour, and the blush. Yun ang susunod. Okay. Going to use a combination of the silver and the glittery pink. Yes. Highlighter. Yan yung gagamitin natin for our eyes para naman mag-complement sila. Ayan. As you can see, yung so shiny. Okay guys, nakalimutan ko pala mag-powdered foundation. So, yun nga, kasi nag-enjoy ako. I'm super excited na kinakabahan para gawin ang coral look makeup. But today, sige, ihabol natin. I think pwede naman. Kasi, hindi pa naman ako. Kasi ay, show my ka. I'm actually using the Vice Cosmetics. My shade is Shade ni Vice. Ang bongga nga. Ayan. So, ayan. Ihabol natin. Kaya pala sabi ko, parang nagiging oily ako. Hindi pa pala ako nagpa-foundation, besh. Nag-makeup. Masyado ako nag-focus sa coral eyeshadow look. Ayan. Ayan, mukha na akong hindi oily besh. Yun pa rin gagamitin natin ng kanilang BLK highlighter yung nilagay ko dito sa aking eyes. For our coral lipstick look, yung pang-ending na natin, for our last but definitely not the least, ang ating lipstick na ginamit today is ang water gel lip and cheek tint ng Vice Cosmetics in the shade Sisterette. Yes. Last natin is yung eyeliner. Nakalimutan ko na naman. My gosh. Wala akong black. So, I'll be using dark browns. Mabilis lang to. Magpalalagay lang tayo ng eyelashes. And we will see kung ito ay selfie-ready look or makeup of the day. May M-U-O-D. M-U-O-D. Makeup of the day. Kayo ang magiging judge kung pwede siyang MUOD, hashtag makeup of the day. Okay, saglit lang to guys. Sabi ko naman sa inyo guys, I'll be just a sec. Magkakabit lang ako ng ating false eyelashes. And lastly is BTW, I use the BLK Cosmetics Volume Lash Extension Mascara. So, ito ang gamit natin. And this is our final look guys. And yeah, ang ganda besh. Kahit ako di ko sukat akalain ganito ang kinalalabasan ng aking face. It's so nice. Ayan, ang coral look na sinasabi nila is kind of peachy tone. Ayan. Makikita niyo ng mga imperfection ng pagkakalagay ko ng makeup. Ayan, medyo hindi siya perfect, guys. But, it's still pwede na siyang very presentable look siya. What do you guys think of my coral look creation? Kayo na po ang maging judge if it is a really hashtag MUOD, makeup of the day. Yay! Ayan siya guys. Ito ang ating finished look. Okay. And this is the end of my vlog guys. Until my next vlog, this is again at Paula Mariz saying that sharing is a great way to learn and to help others too. Goodbye and until my next vlog. Bye!